Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to use Prom AI, a very wonderful AI tool that does quite a lot of things. It can generate images from text, it can generate videos from text, and it can even convert images to sketches, and you can have different kind of tools attached to this particular AI tool. So today we are going to reveal just some of the most basic, for example, text to image and text to video. There may be video images to sketches. Okay, so let's start from the beginning by learning how to access it. And to access it, as usual, you can just come to anywhere within your browser, type in Google, and you can just go ahead and search for Prom AI, just like so. All right, so you can see it over here, free AI ad generator. Bring creativity to life. So you can click on the first one. Alternatively, you can come to promai.pro and it will still bring you over here. So you start from the beginning, but if you want some inspiration, you can check out and you can see quite a lot of different kind of media that were created by this particular tool. So let's start from the beginning, signing up or logging in. You can sign up with an Apple account or a Microsoft account, or username and password, or an email and password if you want. And you can as well go ahead and sign up with any of your Google account. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use one of my Google accounts to sign up, and then I will meet you at the other side. All right, so once you click on start creating for free, you'll be brought in over to this very platform. Now you can see the different features that you can have with this particular tool. You can see you can have sketch rendering, AI image generator, consistency rendering, upscaler, HD upscaler. You can upscale your images and so on. And then if you want to see the beauty of it, you can come down here and see different kind of creations that were generated with this particular AI tool. Now, to enjoy the best part of it, you can come to AI tools over here. You can click on this and you'll have access to all of them. These are all the tools. You can have sketch rendering, where you convert directly from an image to a sketch with just one click. And then you have an AI image generator, consistency rendering, HD upscaler. You can upscale your images and erase and replace things. You can see it's just an all-in-one. We can have the text to video feature as well as image to video directly, and mockup rendering. We can see different kind of tools that you have connected with this. You have even AI caricature generator of yourself. You can create that for yourself if this is what you want. But let's start with the most basic, which is text to image. Or let's go with text to video. We can just click on this and let's open it somewhere. So this is where you can write in your text. Let's say we give in this simple prompt: generate a video of an African handsome man taking selfie of him and his friends. And you can change the styles from here, the different styles. I can go with this, or you can keep it at default. I think this is highly colorful. I can check the aspect ratio from here. You can define custom aspect ratio, or you can go with the default ones, 1:1. For this, I'm going to go with 16:9, and then you can change the motion intensity if you are interested. But at this point, I'd like to keep everything at default, and I can just go ahead and say generate my video, and let's give it some seconds and see the wonders it's going to create in terms of the video generation. Now, while we wait for it to create the video, let me show you another feature, which is image to video. Let's go with image to video. I'll open it in another tab and then try to maybe input an image and see if you can create a video from it. Okay, so you can see the video is been created. You can have a play of it. You can just click and let's see whether it's truly an African man. I think it didn't get this correctly. It's not really a good video. You can see it looks like an African, but it doesn't actually look like a correct African, because look at the fingers, look at the face. It's really not a good one from AI. But you can try different ones. So let's say give me the video of a monkey in an office using a computer with a cup of coffee. All right, so you can justify the styling from here. Let's say we go with this, and then the aspect ratio, let's go with 16:9. And the intensity, motion intensity is exactly like this. Then we can just go ahead and say create. Let's give it some seconds while it generates this. Now for this case, let's try to import an image that we can convert to video. Let's import, go to import, and then let's say we take something like this. All right, so let's bring in this guy, and let's say make the monkey talk. Okay, let's give it this prompt. And then over here, you can vary the motion intensity if you're interested. And then you can just go ahead and say generate. And let's see what happens to this. All right, so you can see the video has been created. So let's click to have another understanding. Use an office. But you can see the video is not really, it's not actually very good. But at least it has shown the power that it has the capabilities to create a video. It is a monkey in an office. I don't know what's doing with the computer, but this is the demonstration. So you can try and see what you can use this for. So the wonders of it is that if you're interested, you can come down here and you can copy the prompt and settings and remix the crew orientation, or you can save this to an asset. Then you can download from here with watermark. You can download this, and then you can go ahead and say with no watermark you can download as well. All right, so the video of the monkey has been created. Let's see whether it is actually talking. Yeah, you can see wonderfully, surprisingly, the monkey is talking, but you can see the paper here. It is holding the card. Is the right up is a bit squeezed, and we cannot see it clearly. But the monkey is made to talk based on the prompt that we've provided, which is a very good one. And again, if you're interested, you can download it from here with watermark with this size, or you can copy the prompt and change the settings if you're interested. Right? So this is image to video. Now this is one of the caveat to this actually. I can see I've given it a prompt. This doesn't look like a giant monkey. It's actually quite a different thing that it has given me. This looks like a grass cutter or a wild dog, but it doesn't look like a monkey actually. So this is another caveat to this particular AI tool, because it is at the process of enhancement. Probably that's why it's getting most of the things wrong. Yeah, this is very bad. Okay, because I said give me a video of a giant monkey in a busy street, and this doesn't look like a giant monkey in a busy street. So one of the things they have to really look into and upgrade the tool. So one last thing that I want to try and see whether it is actually good or not is the text to video. Let's try text to image. Let's try the AI image generator, or let's try the sketch rendering. Let's try text to image to sketch. All right, so we can upload an image and then convert it into a sketch. So from here, we can just go ahead and import our image. All right, so let's go ahead and import the image, upload the image. Let's say we're going to upload the image of this lion, and then let's say convert it to a sketch. All right, so I've imported this image, and let's say we're going to use, you can use any of the formats, but I keep it at default. Come over here and say convert to a sketch. Okay, you can have reference image if you want to use a reference image, but for this case, I don't want to use reference image. You can check the model version 1, 2, 3. Let's go with the 3. And then you can check the styling of what kind of style you want. I keep it at default. The scene, I can keep it at default also, as well as the perspective. I want to keep everything at default, and the lighting. So let's go ahead and say generate from here. Let's see the wonders of this, whether it's going to help us to generate this. All right, so while we are waiting for this, also let me try AI image generator. So let's click over here and let's try to generate the image from text. Okay, so let's say okay, generate the image of a lion swimming in a pool wearing a hat and glasses with a cup of Coca-Cola. Okay, so let's go. Let's use the version 2 because it's the latest version. And let's go ahead and the style, let's keep it at default. The scene, the perspective, Let's keep everything at default. The aspect ratio, let's go with 16:9. And then the lightning, let's go with something simple. And then go ahead and say generate. So let's see whether this is going to give us our text to image very fast. Yeah, so this looks fantastic. This is wonderfully created. You can see of all the creations that we have today, this is the best one. Okay, the text to image. You can see it is swimming in the swimming pool, and it's a lion with a hat, with the glasses, and a cup of Coca-Cola. This is very, very much interesting. It has really, really done great in this. It has given us all the three images. Very good, very well created. You can see this is wonderful. This is wonderful. So I think of all the 3 to 4 tools that we've tested, this looks like the best one of them all. So you can see in terms of the image to sketch, you can see this is actually a bad one. This is a very bad one, but it has tried actually in making this situation, okay, the structure. And these ones actually don't look exactly like the lion that we've inserted into it. Look at it, look at the lion, and look at what it has created. So actually, there is a lot to be improved on this Prom AI. It's a wonderful tool, but there's a lot to be improved in terms of what they've created. So you can do quite a lot of things, probably because they have so much in the line. That's why they were not able to give it so much of the best. So, but at this moment, my recommendation is actually this still need for improvement as regards their video to image, image to video creations, the text to video as well, the image to video, the photo to sketch. Also, there's a lot to be improved. I've tried them a lot, and you can see this one also. I have tried it. This is photo to sketch, and it has given me this is actually much better because it has mimicked the monkey as it is, but only that it didn't get the right top correctly. I loved Rushed. I loved Dr. Ruzel, something like that. It didn't get the right top correctly, but it has tried in this case, and you can go ahead and download this if you're interested, uh, or you can upscale it or edit it if you're interested. All right. So these are things. It's just like more or less like a trial of Prom AI, or like a review of the feature and seeing what it can do. Actually, it's a great tool, but a lot of improvement is needed. So you can go ahead and try on your own and see which of the tools actually do you enjoy using, and report your experience in the comment section. So sincerely, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.